20 penny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it.
What it do, shawty? Yeah, what it do? Ooh, as you can see in the title, I will be doing an unboxing for some shoes. For some shoes. I ordered the Fila Dominator shoes, and basically it just came in this package or whatever. So this is not no professional unboxing, so if I don't, explain everything, all you gotta do is just go to the website at www.footlocker.com. So yeah, I got the rose gold one. Oh, let me make a thumbnail.
Girl.
I don't know if it's taking a picture or not. Wait.
It is.
Okay. All right. Y'all see the glorious box? I'm not gonna show y'all the back because my address and stuff is on there. Oh shit, it's right here too. I mean, shoot. Okay,
Yeah.
so here are the shoes.
Look at the box.
Oh
What
my
the-
god.
Deja.
This is horrible.
Chill.
I know. This is the paper. Okay, so this is the box. It's really ugly. I'm not even gonna lie. But 3, 2. Oh! Oh! So, these are the shoes or whatever. You see that guy in the back? He's a hater.
What?
He's a hater. He doesn't like Filas, but
I never said that.
I ride my own wave,
I
okay?
never said that.
So I ride my own wave.
I never said that.
Anyways, I'm about to try them on. I'm finna go get me some socks and try them on. So-
Here.
No, go get me my black socks. It's in the closet.
No.
So yeah, these are the shoes.
I feel like
It's
walking-
like a rose gold, metallic gold type thing. And this is the inside. And they're so pretty. I wanted the pink ones. I'll insert a picture of them. Yeah, I wanted the pink one. Oh. So yeah, we're gonna try on my shoes. With they ugly.
I know she's ugly.
These are not ugly. Stop trying. These are so cute.
I like them.
Bruh, I hate him. Oh my god. Stop. Okay, so I don't know if I should stand up and show y'all, but ooh,
Oh my god.
these are my daddy shoes,
Ugh.
and they cute. Look at it. Ooh. So yeah, that was a quick little unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love these shoes. Yeah, so Fila Puma Vans, y'all should sponsor me because I stay on y'all website. So yeah, love you guys and peace.